Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis for this Wednesday to Friday, July 7 to 9, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat. Beginning today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday, we have the strengthening of the easterly surface wind flow affecting the eastern sections of the Philippine Islands. That includes eastern Luzon, the Bicol region, Romblon, Visayas, and eastern portions of Mindanao. So expect isolated to scattered rain showers and severe thunderstorms across these areas. So please take on necessary precautions against lightning strikes as well as flash floods, just in case a severe thunderstorm passes over your area. And the reason behind the strengthening of the easterlies is because of the quasi-stationary high-pressure ridge over to the east of Okinawa, which is generating some easterly winds across the eastern sections of the Philippines. And outside of PAR, we have active LPA 97W, which is now moving across southern Hainan, and still a high chance of developing into a tropical cyclone within the next 12 to 24 hours. That's around more than 65% probability. So it could develop into a tropical depression prior in making landfall over northern Vietnam within the next 12 to 24 hours. So with this system, it will continue to enhance the southwest monsoon, affecting the Calayan Island group and other areas of this plot list. So winds of 30 to 40 kph, as well as large waves, and on and off rainfall and thunderstorms will be expected across these areas. And outside of PAR, we have the intertropical convergence zone across Micronesia and a surface trough to the south of Palau, bringing some thunderstorms over that area. While the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain fair with afternoon or evening isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. Now let's take a look at the fast animation. So there you go, those thunderstorms generated by the strengthening easterly surface wind flow across the eastern sections of the Philippines. And if we look at the latest from the windy.com zoom in satellite animation for the past 6 hours, this is the satellite loop beginning at around 11 or 12 noon. As you can see, as the afternoon progresses, strong thunderstorms are hitting the Bicol region, portions of the Bicol region, Visayas, and Mindanao. As you can see here, a strong one passed over the Partido district of Camarines Sur, as well as into the 3rd district of the province, that includes Naga City. So we experienced some 3 rainfall event beginning at 1 p.m., then another one at 2 p.m., then the last one is between 3 to 4 p.m. But right now, it's still raining in some portions of Camarines Sur and also over the areas of Camarines Norte, while over the portions of Luzon, these are isolated thunderstorms moving across the northern and central portions of Luzon, and isolated thunderstorms can also be observed across eastern Visayas into the rest of the Visayas and across Mindanao as well, and also portions of Palawan because of the fringe effects of the southwesterly surface wind flow, which is now weakening into variable winds. And that's the latest from the zoom-in satellite animation. Now let's take a look at the 3-day rainfall accumulation courtesy of windy.com from the European model, and this is valid until Friday. As you can see, isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms will still be expected across Visayas, Sulu Archipelago, Palawan, Mindanao, portions of the Bicol region, as well as the eastern sections of Central Luzon, that includes Northern Quezon and Aurora Province. So expect afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms as well, and also in some portions of Luzon. And that's the latest. And as we look at the wind forecast from the American model for the next 3 days until Friday, prevailing easterlies will still be expected across the eastern sections of the Philippine Islands, and some variable winds over the inland waters of the Philippines. And if we move into Friday, the easterlies will still be present across the Batanes and Babuing Islands and the eastern sections of Luzon and the Visayas. And we have here a surface trough developing to the east of Surigao, not a low pressure area as of now. And if we move it into Saturday, this surface trough will bring lots of rainfall again across portions of Visayas and Mindanao. So that's the latest from the American model. Now let's take a look at the Global Tropics Hazards and Benefits Outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of Noaa. And this is for the next 2 weeks. It's been issued every Wednesday. So for week 1, valid today, July 7 until July 13, above average rainfall will be expected across Mindanao and Palawan, including Sulu Archipelago, while normal weather or generally good weather will be expected across various portions of the Philippine Islands. And but in the afternoon evening, expect isolated rain showers and thunderstorms to prevail. And over here, over Hainan Island, that's the high probability or a high possibility of a tropical cyclone formation because of LPA 97W. And if we look on the second week, valid July 14 to July 20, the Philippine Sea to the east of the Luzon and Visayas will be under the influence of possible tropical cyclone formation, but this is around 50% probability as of now. So the confidence level is at moderate. So we still don't know if this will push through, because only a few models are showing that there could be a tropical cyclone development to the east of the Philippines across the Philippine Sea during the second week between July 14 to July 20. And we will keep you updated if there are some new developments on this system. But so far, the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain generally calm and fair, with afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. So that's it. That's the latest for today, Wednesday until Friday, and we'll be returning again in the next couple of days. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.